Raigada District Congress Committee submits memorandum to Odisha Governor on rising crimes against women. Raigada, expressing grave concern over the rising incidents of crimes against women and girl children in Odisha, particularly those belonging to SC, ST, and OBC communities, the Raigada District Congress Committee has submitted a memorandum to the Honorable Governor of Odisha, Shri Hari Babu Kambhampati. The memorandum was forwarded through the Collector and District Magistrate of Raigada. The Congress delegation highlighted a sharp increase in crimes against women under the current BJP-led state government, citing alarming statistics and specific cases of rape, gang rape, molestation, and murder. According to the data presented, 1,600 women have been subjected to violence in the last 8 months alone, with 54 registered cases of rape, gang rape, and murder across different districts of the state. The memorandum detailed several shocking incidents, including the rape and murder of a 10-year-old girl in Balasore, the assault of a 65-year-old woman, the public trashing of tribal women in Nilgiri, and multiple cases of gang rape in Denkanal, Angul, Bargat, and Rourkela, among others. The delegation also pointed out disturbing instances of minor schoolgirls being raped and impregnated in districts such as Jajpur, Malkangiri, Keonjhar, and Champa. Accusing the state government of negligence, the Congress leaders condemned the lack of stringent action against the perpetrators. They alleged that the BJP government is prioritizing electoral strategies, such as the Subhadra Yojana, over ensuring women's safety and dignity. The memorandum further criticized the failure of the Beti Bachao campaign, emphasizing that despite promises of protecting women, crimes against them continue to escalate. Calling for immediate and strict action, the Congress committee urged the governor to intervene and direct the government to implement preventive measures for the safety of women and girls, especially school-going children. The memorandum stressed the need for stringent legal actions against offenders to deter future crimes. The submission of this memorandum marks a significant political and social appeal for stronger governance and accountability in addressing crimes against women in Odisha. For Nation News, Sudhanshu, Bureau Chief, Southern Odisha.
कांग्रेस साहसी योद्धा अछन आपण माने एकत्रित होन एवं आगामी दिन में कांग्रेस दल तरफरु नारी को केमती सुरक्षा देबे एवं नारी को केमती सम्मान फेरे आनबा सब प्रति ध्यान देबे। वर्तमान आमे मोहन सरकार को जते देबा लागि चाहू छु जे यार पुनरावृत्ति नै हो जदी हला ताहले राज रास्ता रे निश्चित रूप रे रहबो। धन्यवाद समस्त।